Okay, Tally ERP9 you can able to find out in a desktop, or else go to my computers. In my computers, C drive. In C drive you have a folder called user. In a user, here you can able to find out public. In a public you can able to find out the folder called Tally ERP9. Like this also we can able to open the software. Okay, when you open a Tally ERP9 folder, here you can able to see the data. Data is nothing but whatever companies we are storing, whatever companies we are creating in a Tally ERP9, those all companies where it will store in a data menu. Okay, or else you can able to open the company in a start button. Okay, in a toolbar you can able to find out a start button. Go to start button. In start button also, here you can able to find out the software called Tally ERP9. Okay, so Tally ERP9, what is the abbreviation of Tally ERP9? ERP is nothing but Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is nothing but Enterprise Resource Planning. It is the 9th version. So why we have to use the Tally software? What is the use of the Tally ERP9? So Tally ERP9 is a software which we can able to do our accounting solutions very easily. If we will use manually, if we will do anything in a manually, it will take a lot of time to solve any type of thing. But in a Tally we can able to solve the accounting problems very quickly, and we can able to find out the mistakes, we can able to find out the rectifications. Whatever we want to do, we can able to do in this software easily. So Tally ERP9 was introduced in India in a Bangalore with a small reason. In a Bangalore this software was introduced. Who introduced the software? Bharat Goenka is a founder of Tally ERP9. Who is the founder of Tally ERP9? Bharat Goenka is a founder of Tally ERP9. With a small reason he introduced this software. So Bharat Goenka's father, who was an accountant of a firm, so he always used to do manually in accounts. So his son Bharat Goenka, he think my father is doing so much of hard work to complete the manual accounts. So why I can able to introduce? Why not I can able to introduce a software? So for that purpose, Bharat Goenka introduced a software called Tally. So Tally ERP9 was introduced on Bangalore in 1988. So first Tally software was introduced in a smaller accounting solutions. So later on it is developed by year, and in Tally ERP9 we can able to find out so many versions. So each and every version we can able to find out one development of the software. First they introduced only to do a cash book, bank book and final account problems. Later on they introduced the taxation. First they introduced the VAT. VAT is nothing but value added tax, and later on they introduced so many taxable solutions in Tally ERP9. Now it is completely cloud basis. Tally ERP9 is completely cloud basis. So in this software we can able to use any type of solutions in Tally ERP9. So how to open Tally ERP9? So in desktop you can able to find out the software called Tally ERP9. So double click on Tally ERP9. So I already said ERP is nothing but Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a 9th version. So this is the main screen of the Tally ERP9. So first we will discuss this screen. So here upside whatever you are seeing, that is nothing but title bar. Title bar shows the title of the company. So our company title is what? Tally ERP9. Tally ERP9 is our title of the software. And here you can able to see a light green color, parrot green color. Okay, this is nothing but horizontal button bar. What is this? Horizontal button bar. In this horizontal button bar, we can able to take the print. What we can able to take the print? We can able to take the print of any accounting solution. Okay. So what is the shortcut key for the print? Alt plus P. Alt plus P is the shortcut key for the print. And here export. Export means whatever we created in a Tally ERP9 software. If you want to export in any other software like Excel or HTML, any other type of a software, we can able to export. What is the shortcut key? Alt plus E is the shortcut key to export the data. And here email, if you want to mail anything to anyone. So here if you have an internet connection, if you have an online processing, then we can able to mail our data to other users. So what is the shortcut key? Alt plus M is the shortcut key to email. If you want to upload the data, so what is the shortcut key? Alt plus O is the shortcut key to upload. And here to shop, Control plus S to shop. Shop is nothing but if you are doing any transactions on any other place or in the supermarkets or shopping malls, we can able to shop the transactions. If you want to change the languages, here they given a language, whichever language you want, you can able to change the language also. What is the shortcut key? Alt plus G is the shortcut key to change the language. Here now presently we are seeing the language called United States, that is English. So here we can able to see all information in English format. If you want Hindi, if you want Telugu, if you want Kannada, any other type of language, here with the help of languages we can able to change our software language. Okay, and here you have keyboard. If you want to change any settings of the keyboard, which is very appropriate to your software, then you can able to set a keyboard. Here you have Alt plus K to change the keyboard settings only on Tally ERP9, not on other softwares, only for the Tally ERP9. Control center, here you have support center. You can able to control the data and you can able to support the data. They given a shortcut key Control plus K and Control plus H. And here you have a help. If you want to see more data regarding Tally ERP9, if you want to learn more information regarding Tally ERP9, with the help of help menu, you can able to use, you can able to take the more data from help menu, but it is some little bit theoretical. You have to read each and every point so that you can able to understand what to do and how to do. So help will used out if any, for example, now we are using a software Tally ERP9. This is the latest version. After 6 months, after 1 year, if they introduced a new software, once again we are unable to learn. We are unable to learn a software. Once again we have to invest something on a software and we have to learn. So with the help of help menu, whatever changes are happened in a Tally ERP9, easily you can able to go in a help menu and you can able to find out the data and you can able to learn the updated software. Whatever software is updated, new things that you can able to learn in a help menu. And here you have a dark green color. In this dark green color, this is nothing but vertical button bar. In this vertical button bar, we can able to find out the functional keys. In a Tally ERP9, we have different types of functional keys that will start from F1 to F12. It starts from F1 to F12. Here you can able to find the functional keys. And here the below whatever is there, this is nothing but calculator area, and this is nothing but calculator area. In this calculator area, Here, what is the shortcut key for the calculator? Control plus N. Control plus N is a calculated area. This is nothing but information panel. This whole thing is nothing but information panel. In information panel, here first it will shows the product. Product is nothing but whatever software we are using. That is nothing but a product. Here we are using the software called Tally ERP9. And here you have version. Which version now we are learning? Here we are learning the latest version, that is 5.1. And now here we are using educational mode. So okay, so we are using whichever mode we are using, it will show that mode, whether it is educational mode, online mode, whatever mode you are using, it will show that mode. Okay, you can able to use the shortcut keys for the versions, Control plus Alt plus T and Control plus Alt plus L for the changing of the mode and T for the changing of the version. The next here you have configuration, and here you have in the calculator area. In the calculator area, if you press Control plus N, the calculator will be open. Whatever calculations you want to do, you can able to do the calculations. If you press Control plus M to close the calculator, upside you can able to see here Control plus M to close, Control plus N to open. If you want to close the software, you can able to close the software. If you want to open the software, you can able to open a software. And this is nothing but startup area. This is nothing but startup area. In this startup area, here you have licensing operations. What you have? Licensing operations. So in this licensing operations, first option is activate license. If you want to activate your license, with the help of activate license, we can able to activate our license. Reactivate license. Once again, if you want to reactivate the license, then with the help of reactivate license, we can able to use that option. Buy rental license. If you want to purchase, if you want to buy the license by using buy rental license, you can able to use that option. Configuration existing license. If you want to unable to deduct a valid license on your company, so for this option you can able to configure your license. Okay, so reinstalling the software, once again you can able to configure. Okay, and next here you have login as remote tally.net users. So tally.net users, who are the persons? Tally.net user is nothing but the persons who develop the software. I already said in Tally ERP9 we have different types of versions. So it will start from 1.5, okay, and later on it changes to 1.7, and later on it changes to 2.0, and once again it changes to 3.5, 3.9, 4.54. Now 5.1 is the latest version. So on each and every Tally ERP software, if going on, the versions will be changing. Who will change the version? Who will update the versions? The login as Tally remote.net users, the software users who are there, they will log in in the software, and they will change the modifications latestly whatever is occurring in a Tally ERP9. So login as remote tally.net users is nothing but the .NET users who are there, they will change, they will update the software, and they will introduce a new software to the market. And now here you have work in education mode. Work in education mode is nothing but, here we have two types of educational modes. One is silver edition mode and another one is gold edition mode. In silver edition mode, here we have only single user, and in a gold edition mode, here we have unlimited multi-users. So you can use silver or a gold, depends upon your company requirement. So now here we are learning in work in education mode. Okay, in work in education mode, you can able to take silver edition mode or gold edition mode. Quit is nothing but if you want to go out from this software, then you have to use the option called quit. So if you want to use the shortcut key Alt plus W, then you can able to directly log into work in education mode. If you want to go in the silver edition mode, here you have to use Alt plus I, and if you want to go gold edition mode, here you have to use Alt plus J. So take any one of the options from the software. So here I am using Control Alt plus J for the gold edition mode. Just press enter. If you press enter button, directly we can able to log into the software. So till now we didn't created any company, we didn't created anything. So that's why when we log into work in education mode, in that we log into gold edition mode, here everything will be blank. There is no any information. Okay. So how to create this complete information? So here see, here you have in the right hand side, here you have current period and current date. Current period is nothing but from which year to which year you are working. Now we are in 2016. So from 2016 to 17 we are working. Means, so here in the current period it will show the financial year, which year we are working. It will show a year of the company and a current date. Current date means on which day we are working, whether we are working on 1st April or 31st March or November or December or January, whichever month, whichever date, on a present date, whatever. Current is nothing but present date. It will show the present date of the company. And here you have list of selected companies. List of selected companies is nothing but companies we created on a Tally ERP9. Here it will show a name of the company. So list of companies, it will open a number of list of companies. On presently which company you logged in, which company you are in, then here it will show you a name of the company. For example, if you selected in your Tally ERP9, you have 10 different types of companies. For example, you have ABC company, XYZ company, RAM company. Like this, here you have different types of companies. Now I am in a ABC company. So in the name of the company, what it will show you? ABC company, name of the company. Whichever company we are working, it will show you the name of the company here. And date of last entry. Date of last entry means on the last entry, whatever vouchers we are entered, on which date we are entered, that date here it will display the date of last entry. And in the left hand side, here we can able to see company information. Okay, so in a company information, here you have select company, login as remote users, create company, backup company, restore company, and quit. Select company is nothing but, here we have, as I said already, we have ABC company, XYZ company, RAM company, Krishna company. Like this, here we have different types of companies. Now in this company, I want to select any one of the company. For example, I want to go into a Krishna company. So go to select company. So here till now we didn't created any company, so that's why here it will display no companies on a disk. So till now we didn't created any company, so here we are unable to find any company name. So if you created 3-4 number of companies, then here it will show you a list of companies. What it will show you? List of companies. On that companies, whichever company you require, you can able to select the company, and if you press enter, then you can able to log in into that company. If you want to go back, just press escape. If you press escape button, we can able to move back. So login remote users, I already said the software who will develop, those persons will use that button. So now presently we don't require that option. Now here you have create company. So before knowing about the software, first here we can able to know how to create a company. What we can able to know, here we can able to know to create a company. So how to create a company? So go to create company option. Create company option. In create company, here you have a first thing is directory. What here we have? Directory. Directory is nothing but it will show you a path of the software. In a directory, what it will show you? It will show you a path. So see, look at on a directory, Where the software will be located? It is located on a C drive. In a C drive, where it is? It is in a users. In a users, here it is in a public, and in a public it is in a Tally ERP9. In Tally ERP9, here it is in a data. I already shown on a before we started the Tally ERP9. So once again now I am showing you. So how we can able to see the path? Go to my computers. In my computers, here you have C drive. Go to C drive. In C drive, here you have users. In users, here you have public. So if you go to public, here you have Tally ERP9. In Tally ERP9, here you have a data. Data will store the all companies information. So each and every company, here it will store like in a folder. Till now we didn't create any one of the company also. So that's why there is folders are empty. Here we are unable to see any one company also, because till now we didn't create any company. So in Tally ERP9 software, in a company creation, directory will be shows the path of the company. What it will show you? It will show you a path of the company. And next here you have name. Name means which name we have to create? We have to create company name. Whatever company we are working, or if you have any your own company, you have to write the name of the company. So you have to write the name. Name is nothing but company names. Here we have different types of companies. Whichever company you are working, whichever company is for example, if you have a new company, startup company, so for that company, if you want to give any new name, you have your if you have a company, means your company have some name. So that name here you have to enter. What you have to enter? Name of the company. For example, here I am creating a company name as ABC and company. Now here what I am writing? ABC and company. Now I am giving some example. So my company name is some ABC and company. So if you press enter, next here you can able to see mailing name. Defaultly whatever company name we created, that is only become as a mailing name. If you want to change the mailing name, you can able to change the mailing name, or else you can able to give the same name as a mailing name also. So you can able to put company name and mailing name, both are same, or you can able to change the mailing name also. Whatever name you want to give, you can able to give the name of the mailing name. Okay, and next here you have a address. Address means which address we have to give? We have to give the company address. Our company, where it is located, on which place, which country. Okay, which we have some pin code. Okay, we have road number, we have street number, we have flat number. Like this, if you have address of your company, here you have to write down a address of the company. So here I am writing the address like plot number 20. Okay, and road number 2, and some name. For example, I am giving the name of the address is some Dilsukh Nagar, or you can give any other name also. If you don't have modes press, you can press enter. That means you can able to continue your address. Okay, and I am giving Hyderabad. Okay, like this I given some address of my company, and here you have more address. Your address is very big. You can able to use 3 lines of the address, and here you have country. Country means which country we are in. So when I selected a country, so in your right hand side here you can able to see the list of countries. what you can able to see? You can able to see the list of countries. So whatever countries are there in worldwide, you can able to see those all countries here. Here we have Egypt, India, Iraq, Kenya, okay, Kuwait, Malaysia, here Nepal, Pakistan. Here we have different types of countries, Singapore, Sri Lanka. So here country shows the usage of the software also. So whichever countries here you can able to find out, those all countries are using Tally software. This means that these all countries are using the software Tally. So now you are in which country? Now you are in which place? That country name here you have to select. If you want to create new country, for example, here we have list of countries, but our country name is not here. So now I want to create my country name. So if you want to create your country name, so here they given an option called new. New means we can able to create a new name of the country. Here if you press enter, here it will show you new country name. So which country we are unable to find out here? Here we don't have a USA, United States of America. On that country they will not use the software called Tally ERP9. They have their own softwares. Now if they are using our Tally software, then we can able to select the option called new. Here none. None means I don't want to show my country name. If you don't want to display your country name, then you have to select the option called none. Or else here you have to select the country from list of countries. Now we are in India, so I am selecting the name called India. If you select India, so here it will display the states. In India, whichever states we have, those all states it will display. Okay, states, Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka, okay, like this. Here we have different types of states. In this state, which state you belongs to, you have to select the particular state. Now we are in Telangana, so here I am selecting Telangana. You can able to select the Telangana, or if you are in any other state, Andhra Pradesh or any other state, you can able to select the state. Or else directly you can press the first alphabet. Directly it will display the list of states. Now I selected T, so in T we have Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura. So whichever state you belongs to here, you have to select the state. And here you have to select the pin code. So whatever state you are belongs to, whatever street you belongs to, for each and every street you have some pin code. So here you have to select the pin code. So here I taken a Dilshunagar, so that's why I am taking Dilshunagar pin code, some 35, 31, whichever you have to select the pin code. And here you have contact details. Contact details. First in contact details, here you have telephone number. So if you started your company, compulsory you have telephones, mobile numbers, okay, landline numbers compulsorily we have, at least one also. So you have to give the telephone number. So whichever number your company has, that number you have to give. Some 040 242434, like this I given some number. It's not a valid number, just I am saying example. Don't think this is a correct number, just I given some example. So here telephone number, I given some telephone number. And here you have mobile number. If you want to give your mobile number in your country, in your company creation, you can able to give the mobile number. Okay, some 9848905265, some number given. This is nothing but some mobile number. If you want to give the fax number, you can able to give the fax number. If you want to give your email address, so each and every company it has some email address, company email address. So now what is my country name? My country name is, that is ABC and company. ABC and company is my company name. Yes, so company name also we can able to create email address. So whatever company we have, same email address also belongs to same, it related to the company name only. So it's not mandatory. Company name that should be a email address? No. If you want, you can able to create different names also, or else you can put your company name is also your email. So here I am giving my email address of the company is some ABC and company, ABC at the rate abc.co.in, like this some email address I given. That is my company email address. If you have website of your company, so if you start up your company, compulsorily you have your website. So you have to give the website, that is www is nothing but World Wide Web. So compulsorily here you have some website, your company website. If you want to give your company website address also, you can able to give here. But whatever options we given here, from primary mailing details to the contact details, these are all are not mandatory. To create a company, these all options are not mandatory. It is optional. If you want to give the complete information whatever here the software is asking, you can able to give. If you don't want to give any information regarding your company, so you can put these all options blank. No need to give. Just for example, to know you, I am telling each and every option. And next here you have books and financial year details. Books and financial year details. Here we have financial year from. So what year it be showing you? 1/4/2016 is the financial year from. Year from is nothing but from starting of the year. Now we are in which year? Now we are in 2016. So that's why here it will showing you 2016. If we are 2017, then it will show you a 2017. Financial year from is nothing but starting date of the company. So different countries have different financial years. Now here I selected a country called India. So that's why here my financial year shows 1st April 2016. So what is the financial year of the India? 1st April 2016 to 31st March 2017 is the financial year from the India. So it starts from April and it will ends from March. If you see like United States, their financial year is different. That is 1st Jan to December 31st. If you see Australia, it will start from July and it will end from June, or it will start from August, it will end from July. So different countries have different financial years. So depends upon the company, whichever country we are selected,